So, right, one of the things I've got with my Commodore 64, a printer and an extra cartridge. So I thought we'd have a go at reconditioning this. Well, that's all sealed up. Oh, and a bit inky. So shall we see how this is constructed? First we'll slide all of that over there to get some light. Do you
want to plug it in and try it first?
No. Well, we can do.
See if any lights come on.
Let's take that off. And that comes off. Just take that old cartridge out. Power switch is on this side. Ready? Wow, that's interesting.
That's it, ready to go.
Is there a bit of play in that belt? Does that look a bit loose?
No, sometimes they are like that.
Little green light there.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's doing it standard.
So T is test.
T is test, that'll do all the letters.
T is test print, so if I get the cartridge in there, that sounded like it was doing something. You can see the original colour, it should be down there.
Yeah.
And in there, and this looks very yellowed and orange, quite tanned.
So the motor works.
There is a machine, there's a screw down there, and down there. Hopefully that'll get the top off so it can be reconditioned. Yes. Okay, so that's come off. You've got to pull this off. So that comes off nice and easily. Oh, there's a wire to the lights. There are little clips in there, if you have a look. Just those little clips in there. Hopefully you're going to... hopefully not break, but unclip that panel. Please. That unclips that panel. Do you want to have a look down the back there? Got to trace that cable and unplug it. Look at the power connector. That's very basic.
Yeah.
That's just like fitting a car radio.
Yeah.
Look at the dust on there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, look at it. That's incredible. Great lumps of it. Because that circuit board can slide out a little bit. There's not really much holding that in place. That'll give me a better look at that connection. Right, there we are. Eventually got that off. Still. And now to feed that through all these other hoops. Hooray! And there's that piece off. And that is now a single unit, just plastic. It can be cleaned up.
Clean it up and clean it up.
are you filming?
Just the connections.
For future reference.
Yeah, in case you forget which bit it goes round where.
Alright, it'd be nice next to work out how to get the bottom tray. Ooh, that will come eventually. That slides out of a slot. I assume that runs through to the plastic. Looks like a transformer. Maybe the other one on the other side. Two slightly larger screws. And there's another ribbon cable coming under there. That's not free yet. Maybe these. Down in there. On that. Oh! Rather than holding it down, it seems to let it slide.
Anything underneath?
I really have no idea. Nothing obvious under there. Oh! It hooks here. And here. So that is a hook of some description. It's holding that in. Same on that side. Ah! So to bring it forward, can I get it up and over that? Oh, so one is free. Ah! So it actually comes forward. And that's the other free. Ah, so that's separated from what was beneath it. Push those tabs in at the side. Hopefully it will push through. And I'm wondering if that groove is designed to allow the wires to slip through. Look at that! Ha ha ha! And that is now free. That's the underside of all the boards. Say kosher. GP500J-I. That's too close. Transformer up. Carefully lay the whole thing down again. And there it is, the innards of a Commodore printer.